Good day, everyone. Today I'll be introducing you to a field that's reshaping industries and driving sustainability: industrial biotechnology, also known as white biotechnology. Imagine factories that don't rely solely on soil, metals, and high temperature reactions, but on living systems like microbes, enzymes, and biological catalysts that can convert renewable resources into valuable products. That's what industrial biotechnology is all about. So, what is industrial biotechnology? It is the branch of biotechnology that uses biological systems such as microorganisms, enzymes, or cells to produce industrially useful products, materials, and energy. Instead of depending on fossil fuel, industrial biotech harnesses renewable raw materials like plant biomass, agricultural residues, or even waste to create chemical fuels, bioplastic, detergents, and pharmaceuticals. So, biotechnology is an application of life sciences to industrial productions, combining biology, chemistry, and engineering to make cleaner and more efficient processes. Why does industrial biotechnology matters? Because industrial biotechnology addresses some of our biggest challenges: sustainability. It reduces dependence on fossil fuels and cutting greenhouse gas emissions. Efficiency. Biological catalysts often work at lower temperature and pressure, and it saves energy. Waste reduction, fewer byproducts, and more circular use of materials. And of course, innovation. It opens door for biorefineries, green chemicals, and bio-based products. For example, bioplastic made from renewable starch or agricultural waste. It can replace petroleum-based plastics, and it helps reduce pollution. So, what are the key components of industrial biotechnology? So, industrial biotechnology stands on four major pillars: biocatalyst, metabolic engineering, bioprocess engineering, and renewable feedstocks. So, in biocatalyst, enzymes are cells that use speed up chemicals reaction efficiently. And for metabolic engineering, it modifies microorganisms to act as mini factors that produce fuels, chemicals, or medicines. In bioprocess engineering, it designs and optimizes fermentation, separation, and purification system. And for renewable feedstock, it uses biomass and waste materials instead of fossil resources. So this component works together to create what's often called a biorefinery, where raw biological materials are turned into valuable industrial products. So what are the applications of industrial biotechnology? So it is a wide range of applications. For example, biofuels. It produces ethanol or biodiesel from sugarcane, corn, or algae. Bioplastics, making biodegradable plastics from starch or cellulose. Industrial enzymes. It uses in detergents, textile, food processing, and even leather. Pharmaceuticals, producing insulin, antibiotics, and vaccine using microbes. And of course, environmental biotechnology, cleaning pollutants and treating wastewater using microorganisms. This application shows how versatile and impactful biotechnology is across multiple industries. So, what are the roles of chemical engineering in industrial biotechnology? As chemical engineers and future professionals, our role is very crucial. Industrial biotechnology needs people who understand both biology and process design to scale up reaction from the lab to factory. So, chemical engineers usually handle bioreactor design and control, downstream purification, process optimization, cost analysis, and sustainability evaluation. So, this field is perfect blend of engineering, chemistry, and biology. So, what is our future outlook? So according to PBio, industrial biotechnology could contribute to nearly 40% of total economic value of biotechnology by 2030. Countries like the Philippines can benefit through bioethanol production, coconut-based biochemicals, and waste-to-energy technologies, aligning perfectly with sustainable development and goals. To wrap up, industrial biotechnology is not just science, it's a movement toward a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable industry. By combining biology with engineering, we can reduce pollution, create renewable products, and design processes that work with nature and not against it. And as this quote say, engineering biology for a sustainable future. Here's Aaron to introduce fermentation technology in bioreactors.